Hello everyone. Welcome back to my English lessons. This is your host. Today, we're going to talk about something that has become a big part of our lives: working from home. The way we work changed a lot in recent years, especially after 2020, when many companies and even entire industries shifted online. Many things were closed, meetings moved online, and most white-collar jobs could be done from anywhere where an internet connection was available. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of working from home. Should we all work from home, or is it better to go back to the office? Before we start, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is working from home good or bad? Write yes or no, and then watch the video and see if you were right. Okay, let's get started. Now, I'm going to talk about some advantages of working from home. And then, I'm going to talk about some disadvantages. Now, let's get into the details. First, let's talk about the good things about working from home. No, working from home can be really comfortable. If you work in an office, maybe you have to dress up, wear a suit, shoes. Maybe you have to drive to work, spend time stuck in traffic. When you work from home, you can wear whatever you want. You can wear your pajamas if you want. You can sit on the sofa if you want. And you can eat whatever you want without anyone judging you. And this comfort helps you to relax and to feel happier. No. 2. You save a lot of time when you work from home. If your workplace is close to your house, you still need to spend time getting ready and traveling. But if your office is far away, you probably spend hours every day commuting. Imagine spending 4 hours every day just getting to work and back home. That's 20 hours every week. That's almost a full working day. Every week you spend commuting. When you work from home, you can wake up later. You don't need to spend time getting ready or spend money on transportation. You can use that time to do something else, like spending time with your family, or doing exercise, or taking a course, or learning a new language. No. 3. Working from home can help you concentrate more. In the office, we often have distractions from colleagues. Maybe someone wants to talk to you while you're trying to work. Maybe there's a printer problem and you have to spend half an hour fixing it. Or maybe there's an office party and you have to stay late. When you work from home, there are fewer distractions. You can concentrate more and get more things done. All right, now let's talk about some of the bad things about working from home. No. 1. It can be hard to separate work from your personal life. When your home becomes your office, it can be hard to turn off work mode. When you're at home, you want to relax and enjoy yourself. But if your bedroom is also your office, it can be hard to relax. Number 2, working from home can make it difficult to communicate with your team. Talking on the phone or in a video meeting is not the same as talking in person. It can be difficult to explain ideas or projects over the phone. It can be hard to understand your colleagues if they have a strong accent or if the connection is poor. And sometimes it's difficult to control your emotions when you talk through a phone or a video call. So sometimes it's hard to keep your cool if a colleague upsets you. And it can be difficult to build relationships with your colleagues if you never see them. It's easier to connect with people when you share a physical space. You can talk to your colleagues about your weekend plans or ask them to help you fix a problem. Building these relationships is important. These relationships make work more enjoyable. They also make work more productive because you feel more comfortable asking for help. And number 3, working from home can make some people feel lonely. If you work from home all the time, you might not see your colleagues for months. This can be a problem if you are the type of person who needs to socialize during the workday. Of course, you can always call or text your colleagues, but that's not the same as talking in person. So you can see there are advantages and disadvantages to working from home. Now, let's look at some ways to combine the best of both worlds. 1. You can work from home some days and go into the office other days. This way, you can enjoy the comfort of working from home, but you can also socialize with your colleagues and build relationships. 2. You can try to go out when you work from home. Maybe you can go to a coffee shop or a co-working space. This way, you can change the scenery and you can also meet other people. 3. You can organize regular team-building activities with your colleagues. You can play online games together or go to a pub after work or go to the movies or bowling. There are many options. Okay, now I would like to hear from you. What do you think? Is working from home good or bad? What are the advantages and disadvantages in your country? How has the pandemic changed the way you work? If you'd like to learn more about remote work, check out these videos. Here, you can learn about different work styles, and here, you can learn common phrases for talking about work. Before we finish, remember to download a ton of free teaching materials, including PDF lesson plans, PowerPoint presentations for teachers, and more, at our website. You can also watch all of our videos for free there, including all the videos that YouTube doesn't allow us to publish anymore. We're also on social media. You can follow us to learn English and receive discounts on our courses. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye.